Hey everyone, welcome to Nook Vans. I'm Kyle, the founder, and I'm here to show you this latest build. This van was built on the largest Mercedes chassis, so we had a little extra room to accommodate everything on our clients' wish list. These particular clients came to us after seeing Nook at Adventure Van Expo in San Juan Capistrano. They're recent retirees who split their time between Minnesota and California. They love entertaining, they love to go biking, they really love their dog. They wanted a big van that could accommodate comfort just as much as adventure. Their priorities for this van were a full living room, a full kitchen, a full bedroom, and a full bathroom, all in one van. On top of that, this couple is very detail-oriented, which gave us the opportunity to really dig into the details, even get into the specific kind of toothbrush that they love, which we'll get into later. So let's take a look at the new build. One thing that I love about this 170 EXT build is that we created this custom entrance. It includes some shoe storage, as well as this flip-down table that's able to access some more storage inside the van, as well as a light. One thing that we put a lot of focus in is not having a support that blocks you from using the table, and it easily just folds right back up. Also, our clients chose this amber bamboo, one of 4 finishes we have, and it gives just a nice richness to the interior, makes it seem more dynamic. All right, one thing that I've been really excited to show off are these new wall sconces. We developed these for our clients because they needed an easy flashlight to be able to walk their dog at night. It can be used for late night card games, as a lantern. It's just a great source of light when you need it. It's right here at the door, and the best thing is when you put it back on its mount, it's always charging. Next, we have the first space on our client's wish list, the living room. Our clients love to entertain, so we created this stylish and very comfortable space for their friends and family to hang out in. The main feature is this double banquette. We've got custom upholstery on both couches, as well as this angled back. Makes it feel nice and natural when you're sitting on the couch. We've got storage on both sides, a TV on an articulating mount, as well as these awesome dog bowls that are on a drawer that come out. And as I mentioned, our clients have a mini golden that is a huge priority in their lives. Next up on the wish list is a full kitchen. This kitchen is the heart of the van, so we wanted to make sure that it had some nice fresh air and light. So we put in a window and an opening roof hatch. As with all of our kitchens, this kitchen includes a sink with a lid on top, as well as our felt bins with custom inserts. We also have a larger drawer up top and trash and recycling. On the other side here, we have a large refrigerator, dual induction stovetop, as well as a combo microwave air fryer. And from there is where the customizations start. We're calling this area the appliance garage. We have an Nespresso coffee maker. This is the same Nespresso machine that our clients use at home. Neatly tucks away. And then we've got a toaster, some storage below, and above, this is a request, a nice wine drawer. We have even more storage towards the back. We have a pantry right here, nice and deep, with a number of shelves. We have laundry. And then on this side is our closet that we have in most of our builds. It has hanging, as well as shelves in the back. As we leave this area, I want to point out the color lighting control system. You can choose a color in the living room, you can choose another color in the kitchen, and you can choose a third color above the drop-down bed. Here, we've installed a Tech Van expandable elevator bed, which allows for more precious headroom and makes the space feel much bigger and more natural. Our clients also wanted a thicker mattress, so we made one for them. The bed you see here is custom cut and upholstered. All right, here we are in the rear of the van in the 4th and final space, the full bathroom. The bathroom is built on one of our most foundational elements, the Nook utility spa. Our clients really wanted a luxurious bathroom, so we really leaned into the bathroom functions while maintaining its utility. As with all of our previous utility spas, this one does include our aerospace honeycomb aluminum walls, a shower with a 6-foot hose. We have a removable dry flush toilet. We also have this beautiful teak decking. Two new features we've added are this powder-coated stainless steel sink. It still allows us the ability to service heater and water functions. Then we also have this medicine cabinet. It features this waterproof outlet, as well as this space designed specifically for our client's favorite toothbrush. We are really grateful to our clients for trusting us with their vision and bringing us along on this journey. I'm really proud of how this van turned out. Our team did such an incredible job on this van. If you would like to take that first step, feel free to give us a call. Phone number is 310-916-9515. You can find us through our website or on social media. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see you on the next build.